Oh no, my grandma's uncle's mother's aunt's brother's sister. There's cousins, uncles, aunts, brothers, uncles, brothers, Uncle George, sister. Cousin died. What am I gonna do? I know what you can do. Well, you can get the guy who coughs up stuff. Guy who coughs up stuff. Have a cold? Need a tissue? He's got that. Got a headache? He's got Tylenol. Mom won't let you have that new cell phone. Don't despair. Look, another tissue. Outside too cold? He's got gloves. Bored on a rainy day? Not anymore. He's got cool Dalmatian toys. Missing that one extra battery needed for fun? He's got that. Look! 3 tissues! Missing out on all that take a penny, leave a penny fun? Well, no longer. Hungry and need a snack? He's got oatmeal pies too! Well, my curious viewer, you can now have the guy that coughs up stuff for only $19.95. That's right. No, what? $105. $105.